Welcome to our Seashell channel. I'm Mary Rivera Msina from Philippines. I'm your Seashell florist artist for today. I'm creating Seashell art for 25 years now. Please support handicraft industry in Philippines. We can customize any design you want. Just send the message. And for today, DIY, we will create this beautiful seashells like this.
Hi, I'm Grace, your virtual instructor for today's DIY. Tools needed: wire cutter, scissor, cutter, styro ball, masking tape, glue gun and glue stick, floral wire, floral tape, white glue and sand. Artificial flower stamen, star limpet, violet Matra, oyster leaf shape, polished muffin, strawberry conch heart shape, wedding cake shell, and pearlized batad. Next, we need to make a small hole in the oyster so that we can attach the wire. Insert wire to the shell, then bend and twist it so that it will hold. Tape the artificial flower stamen into the tip of the wire. Glue the strawberry conch heart shape into the wire. You may use gloves because the glue is hot. Glue a pair of wedding cake shell into the tip of wire. Cut the wire on your desired length. Glue 3 pieces of violet Matra, then glue into the tip of the wire. Pearlized Batad into the middle of violet Matra. Feel free to arrange the seashell flower and stem. And we are done. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy me as your virtual instructor for today. See you again in our next seashell DIY. Please like, share and subscribe. Comment below your request DIY. Take care everyone from me, Grace and Mary. Love lots. Stay creative.